Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of the derivative and the tangent line. So now I want to show you how to answer. At s equals to number 4, his bowling ball slipped out, and we know that they will go through by tangent line, and we need to find which person they will receive about the his bowling ball from here. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to find first the derivative of y. So we can apply the power rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. So we can apply the formula in here. And this one, we have 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. So we put number 2 on here, and that's why we have this one just like this. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. And now we can simplify like this. Next, we can apply the formula of the tangent. So because at s equals to number 4, so we put number 4 on here. So we put number 4 on here. About this one, we need to put number 4 on here, and we calculate 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 square minus 1. So we have number 3. So this one we have number 2. So we have 2s minus 8 plus 3. And we have 2s minus number 5. Now let's consider when we put s equals to number 6 gone here. So 6 multiplied by number 2 minus 5, we have number 7. So this person in here will receive about the bowling ball. About Ron, if we put number 7, s equal to number 7 gone here. 7 multiplied by number 2 minus 5, we have number 9. That means Ron will not receive the bowling ball, just only this person in here. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.